Okay, hi guys, this is Dr. Hayek, and this is going to be one of the first lessons about organic chemistry, and I'm going to start with an important topic in organic chemistry, which is nomenclature. So, nomenclature. This means that we will learn today how can we name especially alkanes. Okay, so we'll be talking about naming alkanes. The name of an alkane is constituted from three parts, which is the prefix, then the parent, and then the suffix. Okay, so what is prefix? Prefix is any substituent included in this alkane. The parent is the longest chain, and the suffix is the functional group, and I will say here if there is any. Okay, because if it's an alkane, it will not have, if it's a hydrocarbon, it will not have a functional group. Now, for substituents, we need to make sure that we understand what is a substituent. A substituent, this is, for example, when you have an alkane, for example, we'll take CH4, which is called methane, and then you just simply remove one hydrogen to get CH3, where carbon is capable of carrying one more bond, and in this case we replace the A and E by YL, and therefore we call it methyl. If we have, for example, CH3, which is the ethane, so the ethane, now removing one hydrogen, it doesn't matter because both carbons are the same, so it's going to be CH2 CH3, and this is going to be called ethyl. Now if we have propane, so CH3 CH2 CH3, and this is propane. Now we have two different types of carbons. We have the first degree carbon and the second degree carbon, and this is one is the first degree carbon. Okay, so removing a hydrogen from a first degree carbon, that's gonna give you CH2 CH2 CH3, and this one we call it propyl. However, now if you remove, so I'll just change the color, so if you remove one hydrogen from a second degree carbon, we will get CH3 CH CH3, and now the bond is on the second degree carbon and the carbon in the middle. Now this is called isopropyl. Now iso is coming from similar, if you want, or from the word isomers. Okay, so this is similar to propyl. It's an isomer of propyl if you want. It's an isomer of propyl. Okay, so it's called isopropyl. And so on. Now for butane, we have the same. If you want, we can take a look on butane. So let's clear some space here. Okay, so for butane, so butane would be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. It's going to be the same. We have 2 first-degree carbons and we have 2 second-degree carbons. And here it's going to be, if we remove a hydrogen from the first-degree carbon, so we get CH2, 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 CH3, and this is called butyl. Now butane has one isomer, which is the following. So CH3, CH, CH3, and CH3, which is called the isobutane. Now in this isobutane, we have 3 first-degree carbons, as you can see in here, and we have 1 which is 3rd-degree carbon. Now, if we remove 1 hydrogen from a first-degree carbon, we get the following alkyl: CH2, CH, CH3, CH3, which is called the isobutyl. However, if we remove hydrogen from the 3rd degree carbon, we get CH3, C, CH3, CH3, and this is called terbutyl. The last one we'll talk about it today is pentane. So if we have pentane, which is CH3, CH2, 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 CH3, so this is pentane. If we remove 1 hydrogen from the peripheral carbons, this one or this one, we get CH2, 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 CH3, and this is called pentyl. Okay? However, pentane has 2 other isomers. It has the isopentane, which is CH3, CH2, CH, and then we have on this CH we have 2 CH3s. So this is called the isopentane. Now if we remove 1 hydrogen from this carbon here, we get CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3, and this is going to be the isopentyl. And the last isomer for pentane is the neopentane, which is CH3, C, CH3, 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 which is called the neopentane. Removing a hydrogen from any of the CH3s would give us CH2, C, CH3, 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 and this is called neopentyl, and this is the last alkyl group that we will talk about it today.